Hey everybody, welcome to a new video from JD Scale Models. In this video we're going to be unboxing the Tamiya Toyota Supra. I decided to start with a nice easy kit for my first adventure back in a very long time. Of course this is a Tamiya kit, so everything's going to be fantastic, great fit, great finish. As I mentioned in my last video, this is the first actual kit I've built in a while. You can see the body looks terrific. It's got a few very tiny mold lines on it that will have to get cleaned up. Not a big deal at all. We will get that taken care of. And there's the two bumpers, front and rear. Decent set of tires, look good, no stamp or anything on them. There's also some poly caps in there. Here's the chrome sprue, a little brighter than I like. Usually Tamiya uses that not quite so gaudy chrome, but they went full chrome on these. It does match what's actually on the car, so I guess it's not that big a deal. Other than that, there's really only 3 sprues to this whole vehicle. 2 in black, 1 in white. Here's some of the interior suspension. You can see the insert for the wheels. They do come in 2 separate pieces. This sprue contains the dashboard, seats, doors, panels, that's the word, door panels, some other goodies there. And we of course have the clear plastic sprue, nothing too crazy there. And the last sprue, we got some more body components. We got the trunk on there, exhaust, rotors, some more interior parts. And then we have the standard Tamiya sheets. We have kind of a spec sheet, gives you some details about the car. We got a bag with some tape to tape off the windows to do the black lines around them, some decals, and of course the instruction sheet in typical Tamiya fashion. It is terrific. I didn't find any problems. Everything is labeled properly, so it looks real good. And with that, I cannot wait to get back into this, get this video going. The vehicle is currently almost finished on my bench. Only have a little bit more to do, so really look forward to getting some of these videos out to you guys so you can see my process. Once again, as always, please like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think, and we will see you in the next one.